Hi guys, it's Lakshmi with Data Clarity back with the third video in my series, How to Choose a BI Tool. Today we're going to talk about two things. One is report quality, meaning what do you want your reports to look like? And two, the features offered by BI tools that can get you the quality of the reports that you want. So let's start with report quality. You may think, why does report quality matter? As long as I can get charts and KPIs and numbers that I need from a report. Well, it's important because different types of users need different types of reports. For example, if you're creating a report for CEOs and investors, you may need the report to be very polished with high quality charts, company branding and colors, and mostly centered around KPIs. But if you're creating reports for your internal teams that they want to use every day, you may not be as focused on high level KPIs and the cosmetic look and feel, and may need the reports to be shareable and have your team members easily drill down into detailed numbers in these reports. So I would really recommend thinking about who your audience is for your reports. And if you want a BI tool that works for both types of audiences, then there are definitely tools that fit the bill, which I will recommend very soon. So the next topic that we're going to go to, which is very much related to report quality, is report features. And why is it important? Because the quality of the reports that you want is driven by the features that are available in the BI tool that you choose. So let's talk a little bit about features. BI tools don't just come with charts and graphs. They have a lot of other features, a host of other features that you may want to think about before you choose one over the other. Some examples are, the ability to export reports to PowerPoint or PDF, having reports emailed automatically on a schedule, how well the tool integrates with your existing infrastructure, whether you're using Office 365 or you're using Google. Uh, you may want to embed reports into your website or into Word documents. You may want your team to be able to collaborate on reports, and you may want the ability to control the look and feel of reports using themes and color palettes. So here is a feature comparison of some of the most popular BI tools out there today. I chose two from Gartner's Magic Quadrant of the top two tools, that's Power BI and Tableau. And then I chose Google Data Studio, which is actually a free option, whereas Power BI and Tableau are not entirely free. So this slide is basically showing you a side-by-side comparison of features. So you will see that Google Data Studio does not provide a lot of the features that Power BI and Tableau do. For example, exporting to PowerPoint, the ability to embed reports into websites and documents, integration with collaboration tools that we use nowadays since a lot of us are working remotely, whether it's Slack or Teams, a good variety of inbuilt and third-party visuals. This is one in particular where Google Data Studio really lags behind the other two. And then some advanced features like text analysis. Let's say that you have e-commerce data, you have a bunch of reports, reviews of products, and you want to analyze the reviews and understand what people are saying. Well, Power BI and Tableau both have ways for you to do it, either with Python or R, or in the case of Power BI with Azure's inbuilt text analytics. And so that's also something to think about. All three tools are fairly simple to get started with in terms of building reports. They are quite equivalent on that particular comparison point. Um, Other things also are other features that one should think about include, reports being emailed on a schedule, integration with Office 365 or Google. Tableau does not, of course, with either of them. So these two uh, slides are just giving a list of the features that are useful for most of my clients, and that's why they are worth thinking about when you choose a BI tool. So the takeaway I want to leave you with is know who your report users are, pick the features that you want, which will satisfy these users, and then use these features as your guide to picking a BI tool. So if you have any questions, please send me an email. And if you have found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to the channel so I can produce more videos like this. And in my next video, I'll be talking about a really important topic related to BI tools, which is how well do your tools protect your data and offer you data security and data privacy features. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.